After months of hard work and preparation, the Nutcracker will open tonight at the Kelowna Community Theatre.
We've started auditions in September for this production. It's the 27th season that the Canadian School of Ballet is putting on the Nutcracker. So we're excited about that, and we've started rehearsals, like I said, at the beginning of October, and we've been doing it every weekend until now. And we've been in the theatre starting Monday. We've been practicing every day here.
Well, this year we have a new Grand Pas de Deux, so the Sugar Plum Fairy role is different this year, so it's kind of been an added challenge coming from something I've known for years and now trying to do something new and more exciting.
So we have most of our Canadian School of Ballet dancers that are dancing in it. It was by an audition. And then we also have guest performers from Ballet Kelowna. They'll be doing the Sugar Plum Fairy role and the Cavalier and a few other solo parts. Our Nutcracker this year is a former Ballet BC dancer, so we're happy to have him. He came out of retirement to do this, Connor Nam, so we're excited about that. The show starts December 9th and it runs to the 11th, and you can get your tickets at Kelowna Tickets or at our website, thecanadianschoolofballet.com.